Okay, guys and gals, before I put these plugs in, I've got a borescope, and right now I'm in the number 2 cylinder. This is, the scope is in the cylinder and it works through my laptop. So let's take a look at 2468 if we can, just for the fun of it, just because we've got this borescope here. And that's a valve right there. I'm just twisting the wire to see what happens. Yeah. I don't know what that is, little circle next to the valve, but the big thing is the valve. No, back up. That's the cylinder. That's the top of the cylinder. The valve, I don't know if I'll be able to get the valve. But I believe that is the top of the number 2 cylinder. Correct me if I'm wrong. Give me some comments, guys and gals. But there you go. There's a pretty good shot of it right there. Twist a little bit more. Just from the angle of the way the plug goes in, I think that's the top of the cylinder. Let's try number 4. Okay. That's... See, I'm trying to hold the camera on the laptop, and I'm using the borescope. There's one of the coils. That's the number 2 coil, number 4 coil, number 6 coil, and so on. Let's go for the number 4 cylinder. There we go. Now, as the cylinders will be staggered differently, I might get a little bit different picture. The number 2 seemed it was at the top, maybe. There we go. You get by that little lip. And I'm just twisting the wire here to see what I get. There. Okay, there's the number 4 cylinder, and it's down a little bit lower. And I think you can see like those cutout areas are recesses for where the valves go, maybe? Let's see. Bending over here. Let's see if I can. I've got a light on the end of the borescope. There, I put it up all the way. So, we'll give one more look. Number 4. There are going to be some deposits on the top of that. If this tells any of you guys and gals who are smarter than me, if it tells you anything about how the engine's running, let me know. But don't guess. I mean, let me know if you really know what you're talking about. All right, let's pull this out. I'm going to pause. What I should have done was set up the camera on a tripod pointing at the laptop. Anyway, I'm in number 6. This one seems to have like a little deposit there on the top of the piston. I don't have any focus on this. It's preset focus. I'm just twisting the wire. And then every time I twist it, I have to like wait a little bit because there's some lag, obviously. Pull it back. But I think it's kind of interesting. I hope you like it. Okay, let's pause and go to number 8. Okay, here's number 8. And I know that number 2 was up high. Now, I don't know where we are on the rest of these as far as, you know, if it's on a compression stroke or on a exhaust stroke or what. But that's number 8. Pulling back, advancing it into the cylinder. I've never done this before. There. Okay, I left it there. So, I'm going to wrap this. I am going to, I hope you enjoyed the borescope part. And I'm just going to put in those NGK TR55s and the new MSD wires, put some sleeves on them, and call it good. I got to get ready to go to the gym. So give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. And take care. Be safe. Froggy out. Bye-bye.